Next question, it is very important question also. Many times it has been asked in your board exam. It is 1.3 and it is very easy also. Your hair grow at the rate of 1 millimeter per day. He is asking you your hair grow 1 millimeter per day. Per day mean one day. It mean in one day the growth of your hair is 1 millimeter. He is asking to you find their growth rate in nanometer per second. It means just you have to change this growth rate into nanometer per second. Only this you have to do. So I will write growth rate per day. Growth rate per day. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter per day I can write here. To make it easy. Your growth rate per day. I have not written here. You can write growth rate of hair if you want to write. Growth rate of hair you can write per day equal 1 millimeter per day. So it means if we have to convert this 1 millimeter into meter, because he is asking you have to change it into nanometer per second. Because he is asking you to change it into nanometer per second, that's why you have to change this millimeter into meter first. So I think you know the prefix of millimeter. Can I write it like this? 1 millimeter equals 10 power minus 3 meter. Just I have changed this milli prefix. 10 power minus 3 is the prefix of milli. And per day mean 24 hours. How many days, how many hours in a day? 24 hours. So it means 24 hours. I have changed days into hours, 24 hours. So now I have changed this hours into second as well, because he has asked you to change into nanometer per second. In this unit you have to change nanometer per second. Keep this in mind. According to this I have to change this. According to this, because he has asked us to change into this value, nanometer per second. So that's why I have changed this millimeter into meter first. Don't forget writing these units. And then I change days into hours. And now I will change hours into seconds, because he has asked us to change into seconds. So I think you know how many seconds in a day. How many minutes first? Clearly 60. So I will write 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. I will multiply 60. Now I have to change into seconds. So how many seconds in a minute? Again I multiply with 60. 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter over 24 into 60 seconds. As for seconds. So I have changed into seconds. Now you have to just multiply all these values. When I multiply all these values, what will I get? 60 into 60, 3600, and 3600 into 24. 3600 into 24. 86400. 86400 seconds. So 86400 seconds when I multiply these two values. So clearly I have to change into nanometer per second. So I will divide very easily. Divide 1 by this whole value. So keep 10 power minus 3 aside like this. 10 power minus 3 meter. And I can write per second. Take this s up. Sign of this here is plus. When it gets up, its sign become minus. Meter per second. What I want to do, I have to divide this value. I will write 1 up and divide by this value and get the answer like this. 1 divided by 86400, and answer is 1.157 1.574. There are many digits, you can ignore those, into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. So just I have done this value by 1. Place 1 up and divide this. I will get this value from the calculator. Now notice down what you have to do. You have to change this value into Nano. So how can you change to nano? If there is power -9, then there must be nano. So how, if you can see here, -5 -3 give you -8, not -9. If you want to change to -9, what you have to do, you just have to shift this value to here. If you shift point to this value toward one digit your right, from your left to right, you have to multiply with 10 power -1. You know this thing. So I will shift this point here, and it becomes 57. You can ignore these value, and then I multiply with -1 because I have shifted one digit, so I will multiply 10 power -1. These remaining two powers remain as it is, 10 power -5, 10 power -3 meter per second. I have not made any change in these two. Just I have changed here and written 10 power -1 because I have shifted this point to here. Now I have solved my problem. 10, 10, 10. Bases are same. Powers can be added. -3, -5, -1 give you -9. So I can write it 11.57 into 10 power -9 meter second. Now I have solved my problem. You know what is the prefix of 10 power -9? Nano. So I will write here n. 11.57, and here I will write n meter per second. So this is my answer. I have changed this into nanometer per second. So this is the growth rate of here in nanometer per second. That is all the answer.